let's go Yellow Trail with my girlfriends. I'm just waiting for them. Nandun sila sa may kabilang entrance. So, yeah. Hiking is allowed from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. daily. Medyo nasa malapit pa lang kami and umaambon na siya. So, ang tanong sa amin ngayon, ang pagdidesisyon na namin is, babalik ba kami o itutuloy namin? Alam, hindi talaga tayo pang outing-outing, guys. Ano? Sobrang hindi namin alam kung anong gawin. Kaya natin to. One of our friends at church is going to get married tomorrow and we're gonna help her today with the flower arrangements. Kaya I'm just waiting for sa mga iba naming mga kasama. Dito yan sa may Amare Outlook Drive.
What if we make believe, hide away amongst the trees, making potions out of leaves, hide and seek.
Church, naggaganito din kami.
Ay, talaga? For wedding?
Oh, or nakalimutan ko na lahat ng sinabi sa akin. Alam mo yung mindlessly ko lang siyang ginagawa. Okay, pakiganito mo to.
Kids Fever tomorrow, pagdating mo, picture mo lahat.
Okay.
Para yun na yung start ng portfolio natin. Seryoso nga ako!
Sabi ko pa talaga, okay ate, sige.
It's empty. If you're the first person to find me, just don't tell them what you've seen. So I think that.
Dear gals, thank you for choosing sushi. I ordered this sa Shopee. And wait. Sana maganda siya. Akala ko nung una sushi. It's a butter yellow dress again. Ooh, the fabric feels... Ba't ang dilim ko? Come with me today to rate the quality of food. Yan, hinatid ako ng aking asawa. Kasi sobrang tarik nito. Nakahilas ako ng tsinelas muna.
What if we were meant to be this whole time?
Wala nang nakapaghihiwalay sa pinag-isa ng Diyos.
She ordered.
So guys, this is cappuccino.
Yes.
Taste test.
Okay. First sip. Wag ng chocolate. Ito pang music video. Justin! I'll show you. Hindi kasi ako marunong eh. Gusto ko sanang gumawa. Hindi ako marunong mag-lip sync. Hi kayo sa vlog ko, guys. Hi, vlog! Bakit parang antaray mo naman sa kanila? First time mo na nga sila ma-meet. Na parang bang may 40 fans ako. Ito pala yung friend naming kinasal. Refer to the previous answer. Tinay ko yung sa kabila. Sa kabila. today's Sunday and we're going to church. We are now walking papuntang CAP building. Our church community is at the upper basement of the CAP building. Hey guys, so we're here at James Wright dito sa may SM. We're going to have our lunch and nakatapos lang ng church service. Tama, church service. So, my takeaway all throughout this series is literally kung ano yung sinasabi dun sa title, that when the enemy or the world tries to steal yung joy natin through the lies, I hope we go back to the word of the Lord who has the final say sa buhay natin. God has given us hope that we will all be resurrected back to Him. Tama naman yung resurrected, diba? We will be resurrected with glorified bodies, no sickness, no anxieties, no depression. Laging busog, I guess. Hindi, laging satisfied feeling ko. Kasi kakain pa rin tayo. Anyway, that's basically it. Pero yung takeaway kanina, anong takeaway mo kanina?
Huwag ka talagang magpa-settle sa perishable things, which is yung mundo. Always remind yourself na yun na talaga na the life that you're living is it really para kayo. Kaya nga your labor is not in vain dahil regardless naman yung ginagawa mo, as long as you're doing it for the Lord.
By Jerry.
Yes guys, so actually there's so much with what we heard, learned today sa preaching, since it's all about our Lord, yung assurance natin that in time after this life here on earth, there's life for all eternity. That's why yun nga, that what we do now for the Lord is, kung hindi man na-appreciate yung effort mo, kung hindi na-appreciate yung ginagawa mo sa church kay Lord, know that God sees all of them and then it's not in vain. Yung promise niya is that you will be with Him forever in His perfect time. So guys, mabuhay tayo na in-honor si Lord than following what people are saying or what people are showing or what people are have or don't have. Huwag yun yung i-focus natin. I-focus natin kay Lord.
Crispy chicken sandwich. Pero tagal ko nung hindi na order yun. Sugar rice ka. Mayroon silang farmer's breakfast. This is lumpia that we always buy dun sa labas ng... sa nagtitinda sa labas ng Capel.